So hello, this is Pranshu again, and this is the second video of the series how to make AI musical instruments. By AI, it's like hand gesture recognition system that we will be running on a computer. So today, first of all, I will be teaching, first of all, I will be showing you how the final product would look like after coding and all, after debugging, coding, improving the UI, everything after that, how the final product would look like, how that final product will working. I will show you the code, and don't worry, the code will be uploaded on my GitHub repository. You can download it from there only, so you don't have to worry about the code. And why I'm providing it for the free, like most of the people charge for, like if they have created something, so it's like they think it's the property, and definitely it's their property, so they sell it. But for me, it's like a fun project, and I will be showing you how to create it, give you the code, so you can create it at your home and have fun with it because it's a really fun project. So let's go to the screen that where I will be showing you how to create, you know. So hello, this is Pranshu again, and this is my new AI piano project. So this was the piano that I have created, and now I'll be showing you the code, like how the code would look like of this piano. And this is not the end of the series. Like I'm thinking about more instrument. Do suggest me on the comments like whatever new instrument I should try. That would be like that I could use in this series, because if you give me option of a flute, then it would be a hard, like it doesn't work just based upon your fingers, right? It have like vocal intensity, or I can say the amount of air you blow in. So like a flute or a saxophone, those are things that are hard. I won't say like it's not that easy to create, but definitely we can create it. So let's quickly go to the code section. So this is the virtual piano. You can read about the code here only. So we are using the same libraries, as you can see, same library, and I have added the comments everywhere, wherever like I have created anything new. For example, a piano key to represent the virtual piano with an position virtual, position, visuals, and sound. So position, like wherever your fingers is going, visual is like the screen, and the sound, like when that particular switch, or I can say when our hand is that particular X and Y axis. So like what sound the screen, like the what sound should it play. So self note and X and Y axis and all. So, so these are the sound, like these are for sound. And so like all the parts of this all the parts of this code are mentioned and explained by comments. So if you don't understand anything, just do send a comment. If I see that comment, I will definitely reply to you. So here you can see like C3. C3 is like for the piano. Okay, so anyone from anyone belonging to any musical background, they would know like I don't belong to any musical background. I have a very weak vocabulary in music, or I can say like I don't know anything about music, but it's all about C3, E3, G3, F3, A3, not just 3, it's also 4, A4, A hashtag 4, B4, G4. So, and the second half are the excesses and when what kind of frequency it will, sorry, for example, for example, you clicked on A4. So like what frequency it will produce? 440 hertz. So like if you clicked on C3, so what frequency it will produce? It will produce an 130.1 hertz. So it's like that only. So key dimensions, like what is the dimension of the key in that particular slab? So starting position, center button, that's not that important to like it is important as a part of an code, but I don't have to explain it, right? So this is all landmarks and all. So so this was the OpenCV part. So like open computer vision. So this is a rectangle and all like hand tracking and all. So this is it. Like if you are wondering why I'm not running the code or showing you how it actually works, it's because I'm using OBS and OBS is using my internal camera. So I don't have any external camera to run it. So if I run this thing, my camera or my webcam will be stopped from OBS. That's why it is not running. Or I can say I'm not running it. So that's all about the second part. And the third part will be the guitar, and it's very interesting, you know. It's a fun project.